I'm gonna put these spark plug boot covers on here, protect the boots. I don't think this one right here, there's no way this is gonna not burn. So this one, sorry, hard to aim. So that's super close, like super close. So yeah, there's no way this is gonna go on here and not burn it. I won't even, I'm gonna have to cut a socket open just to get it over it to tighten it, because it won't fit, which is why it's all scratched up now. So not happening. So just threw her in. Gotta wait on that one so I can cut it up. Headers are getting trashed. But I think I'm either gonna touch them up or try and wipe them clean. Alright, so a couple of these I can't get to. Totally destroyed the headers trying to get to them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a notch in this spark plug socket so that I can slip it over at an angle. Use this pin to mark it. I'll show you guys more when I get set up. Alright, doesn't work, even with it cut. So I was like super mad. I'm like, forget that shit. A lot of cussing going on. Called jegs, I was gonna return them. The tech guy gave me something, I don't know why I didn't think about this. My cousin had told me, he's like, dude, just take off the headers, tighten the spark plugs, put them back on. Of course that would work. I didn't want to have to do that every time, right? So I didn't even think though to get a shorter socket. They sell this, I don't know if you can see it. So it's just a shorter spark plug socket, and magically it works. And then you just got to use the open end from the bottom to tighten it. So that works on this side. So I am going to keep these. Now that they're all greased up, I got to clean them, which sucks. So I might just throw a little bit of paint on there. And then the other side, They are all greased up too, but it works. So the cut open one didn't work. It worked for this one, but not that one. So yeah, that's basically it, man. I'm gonna finish tightening these up, get these on, try and touch up the headers a little bit, and then I'm gonna get to the wiring. I kind of just skipped ahead for the sensor wiring, but I'm gonna do an overview for y'all. So yeah, back to it. All right, so that worked. What I did was just zip tied up out of the way so they're not up against the pipe. I mean, they would last with these on the piping, but why give it more work? And this one I had to zip tie up, not to get it away from the pipe, but it was resting on this. So next up is all the sensor wiring and Holley Terminator wiring. So I haven't really looked at this side yet to see if I need to zip tie up anything. Oh, I haven't even put this one on yet. So yeah, let me put this one on and then see if I got to zip tie any of these up. I don't think I'll need to. Maybe this one, because it's super close, but yeah. So yep, back to it. So done. This one, I still don't know what I'm gonna do. I might move the dipstick to that cylinder because there's more room, but they're all in, they're plugged up, so that'll work for me trying to start it. Yeah, next up, then all these sensors plugged in, injectors plugged in, all the wiring ran. So yep. Then I gotta get the throttle cable done. I'm still making the bracket here. So yep. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate all the positivity, y'all. Hope you guys are doing well. Back to it.